Remember the magician who can pull a rabbit out of a magical hat? This machine does something similar. But MakerBot Industries doesn't make hats, it produces household 3D printers at an affordable price. For most people, printing involves paper, ink, and the press of a button. But for Bree Pettis, founder of MakerBots, printing is a way to make almost anything the imagination can conjure up.
Our goal is to democratize manufacturing, and so it's just been one step after the other, building a machine that we can get into people's hands so they can make stuff.
A 3D printer uses base material like plastic or glass and puts down layer upon layer until it builds up an object in 3 dimensions. 3D printers are now used in many industries, producing parts for medical supplies, electronics, and toys, just to name a few.
3D printing isn't something new. It's been around for about 25 years, and up until MakerBot, in order to get a hold of a 3D printer or use one, you had to sneak into an elite institution or a design house or something like that. We really wanted one, so we made one, and when we got it to work, we made a kit so that everybody could have one.
Industrial 3D printers can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. MakerBot has managed to provide 3D printers at a fraction of the price, with its new printer, called the Thingomatic, costing $1,200 US. The company has achieved this by sending their product out as a kit, requiring the buyer to assemble the printer themselves. For Pettis, the goal is to provide a tool that will give form to imagination.
I just think back at what I would have done with a MakerBot when I was 10, 11, 12, 13, and my head explodes. So my hope in the next couple weeks, my goal, this is just going to happen. In the next few years, you'll see kids getting a hold of these doing amazing things.
But sometimes you have to be careful what you wish for. Pettis says in Sweden, one MakerBot buyer used his 3D printer to print himself a second 3D printer. If the trend continues, Pettis may have to MakerBot himself a new business plan. Ben Gruber, Reuters.